Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to speak to the warriors within us, the ones who fall yet rise, the ones who cry yet smile, the ones who are broken yet unbreakable. I want to speak to you. I want to remind you of something powerful. Think like a warrior. Fear nothing. Life doesn't come with guarantees. It doesn't ask for permission before giving us pain. It doesn't check our strength before throwing storms at us. But warriors don't need guarantees. Warriors become the storm. I stand here today not to tell you that life is easy, but to show you that life is possible. Even when you are broken, even when you are paralyzed, even when the world says you can't, that's when you rise and say, "Watch me." I was once told I'd never walk again. I was told I'd never live a normal life. I was told I should accept defeat, but I refused. I refused to believe in limits. I chose to believe in miracles. And the greatest miracle was me. Warriors are not born, they are forged. In pain, in tears, in silence, in heartbreak, and yes, in hope. So what does it mean to think like a warrior? It means to never bow down to fear. It means to see failure as feedback. It means to keep moving, even if it's just in your heart. I sat in a wheelchair and began to paint. My body couldn't move, but my spirit could fly, and fly it did. Across hearts, across stages, across borders. Thinking like a warrior is not about physical strength. It is about the strength of will. It is about the power of choice. The choice to live, the choice to inspire, the choice to become more than your pain. We all face darkness, we all face fear, but fear only has the power we give it, and warriors give it none. You are stronger than your past, you are greater than your scars. Your soul cannot be paralyzed, it cannot be silenced, it cannot be stopped. I found light in the darkest time of my life. I found purpose through my pain. And today, I use my voice not to complain, but to ignite. Your voice matters, your struggle matters. And your story, yes, your story, is not over yet. Warriors don't need easy lives. They build strength from struggle. They turn wounds into wisdom. They wear their battle scars as medals. The world may not always be kind. People may not always understand. But your life is not defined by what happens to you. It is defined by what you do with what happens to you. So rise. Rise with grace. Rise with grit. Rise like you were born for this, because you were. You are not here to simply exist. You are here to live, to inspire, to change the world. Do not wait for permission. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Warriors create their moments. There will be setbacks, there will be heartache, but there will also be growth and beauty and love. Pain is a teacher. Fear is a liar. And you are a warrior. When the world sees limits, you see possibilities. When others see the end, you see a new beginning. Let them talk, let them doubt, let them stare. Because when you rise, they will have no choice but to believe. Warriors don't need applause, they just need purpose. My wheelchair doesn't define me, my spirit does. And your struggle doesn't define you, your courage does. You may fall with dignity. You may cry with strength, but never stop. Keep showing up, keep shining, keep believing. The world needs more warriors. Warriors who rise, warriors who fight, warriors who love deeply. The world needs you. Think like a warrior. Don't fear failure. Don't fear rejection. Don't fear the unknown. Fear a life unlived. Fear silence when you are meant to speak. Fear comfort when you are meant to grow. You are not your pain. You are not your past. You are your power. Let every scar remind you, you survived, you conquered, you endured. Let every tear cleanse you. Let every battle mold you. Choose to forgive. Choose to dream. Choose to begin again. Don't wait for someone to save you. Be your own savior. Be the hero of your story. The world may try to tell you who you are, but only you get to decide. So decide today. I will rise, I will fight, I will live fully. Think like a warrior, fear nothing. When pain knocks, answer with hope. When fear screams, answer with courage. When life breaks you, answer with strength. You were never meant to be average. You were born extraordinary. Stop asking, why me? Start saying, try me. Warriors don't quit. They adapt. They overcome. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. Run your own race. Progress, not perfection. Healing, not hiding. You are enough. You always were. Speak your truth, live your purpose, own your life. Think like a warrior, not because life is perfect, but because you are stronger than anything imperfect. Choose light over darkness. Choose love over fear. A warrior never complains. A warrior transforms pain into power. Every scar becomes a symbol of strength. Every wound becomes a source of wisdom. You are allowed to scream, but do not give up. You are allowed to pause, but never stop. Warriors face the storm, they don't run from it. They walk into the wind, eyes open, heart steady. Remember, pain shapes you, but it doesn't define you. In your weakness, you will find strength. In your silence, you will find your voice. In your struggle, you will find your path. Fear is just a shadow. It disappears when you face the light. Light is within you. Courage is within you. Bravery is not about not being afraid. It's about doing it despite the fear. Stand up for yourself. Stand up for your dreams. Stand up for your voice. Because warriors never kneel to fear. I have known darkness, but I have also known dawn. The night didn't destroy me. It revealed the stars within. Let your story be your strength. Let your pain be your purpose. Let your past be your platform. Don't wait for the world to change. Be the change. Be the fire that burns through doubt. Be the reason someone else doesn't give up. Use your voice to heal. Use your life to lift others. You don't need a cape to be a hero. You just need courage. Believe in yourself so fiercely that the world cannot help but believe too. Don't fear being different. Fear being the same as everyone else. You are not made to fit in. You are made to stand out. Think of all the times you thought you wouldn't survive, but you did. That's proof. Proof that you are resilient. Every tear watered the seeds of your growth. Every failure carved strength in your bones. The world breaks many, but the strongest rise from those pieces. Life gave me a wheelchair, but I gave myself wings. Do not let your circumstances cage your soul. Do not let limitations limit your dreams. The world may see you as weak, but you know the battles you fought and won, quietly, bravely, daily. Real warriors fight battles no one sees. They smile while breaking. They inspire while healing. They keep moving forward, one breath at a time, one heartbeat at a time. Every sunrise is a chance to start again. Every heartbeat is proof you're alive for a reason. The world needs your light. Don't dim it for anyone. You were not born to play small. You were not born to hide. You were born to rise. So rise with dignity, rise with grace, rise with unshakable belief. Don't just chase dreams, catch them. Don't just survive, thrive. When you walk into a room, let your soul enter first. Let your presence speak before your words do. Confidence is not arrogance. It's awareness of your worth. You were not a mistake. You are a masterpiece in progress. Don't hide your journey. Someone out there needs your story. Someone out there is praying for a reason to keep going. Be that reason. Wear your flaws like armor. Own your truth like a crown. There is no failure in trying. The only failure is in never starting. Take the first step, even if it's shaky. Take the next breath, even if it's heavy. The world needs your fire. The world needs your fight. Think like a warrior, even when you're weary, especially when you're weary, because that's when warriors are made. Anyone can smile when life is easy, but smiling in pain, that's power. Be the one who rises. Be the one who believes. Be the one who doesn't quit. Warriors don't chase validation, they chase vision. They don't need a crowd, they need conviction. You are not too late, you are not too broken, you are just beginning. The world cannot define you, only you can. So say it loud, I am powerful, I am worthy, I am enough. Not despite my pain, but because of it. Turn your why me into try me. Turn your pain into poetry, your wounds into wings. Never underestimate the power of one soul, on fire with purpose. You don't need approval, you need belief. When you feel weak, remember who you are. You fought battles no one knows. You've carried burdens no one sees. You're still here, you're still fighting. That is the definition of a warrior. Walk proud, speak boldly, live loudly. Never forget, you are here for a reason. You're not a mistake. When life whispers no, roar back yes. Think like a warrior, because that is what you are. Don't let the world make you bitter. Let it make you better. You're not meant to survive like a shadow. You're meant to shine like the sun. Wake up with gratitude, rise with purpose, sleep with peace. This life is yours. Make it meaningful, make it beautiful, make it count. And always remember, you've got the heart of a warrior. So fight with love, live with joy, lead with strength. This is not the end, this is the beginning. And you, yes you, are unstoppable. Be fierce, be fearless, be free. Stand tall in storms. Warriors don't run from pain. They walk through it with grace. They turn obstacles into opportunities. They turn breakdowns into breakthroughs. When doors close, warriors build new ones. When bridges burn, they learn to fly. You don't have to be loud to be strong. Your silence can carry thunder. Your stillness can hold power. True warriors are forged in fire. And you, my friend, are glowing with resilience. The warrior's journey is not easy, but it is always worth it. If you've been through hell, keep walking, keep fighting, keep believing. You've come too far to turn back now. Let your past push you, let your future pull you, and let your present define you. You are not broken, you are becoming. Every morning is proof you've been chosen to try again. Every heartbeat is proof you still have purpose. Rise not because you have no fear, but because your faith is greater. You are stronger than the voice that says, you can't. You are braver than the doubt that tries to stop you. Life will challenge you. People will underestimate you, but you will overcome. Never beg for a seat at the table. Build your own table. Set it with vision. Serve it with grace. The warrior does not chase validation. They walk in truth. Stand for something, even if you stand alone. Because even alone, a warrior never stands empty. They are full of fire, of focus, of faith. Don't fear the unknown. That's where dreams live. Don't fear the fall. That's where wings grow. You are allowed to evolve. You are allowed to outgrow people, places, pain. You are not who you were yesterday. And that is a gift. Stop carrying guilt for surviving. Celebrate your healing. Speak life into your wounds. Speak courage into your fears. The world will test you. Let it, but never let it change you. Be soft and strong. Be kind and fierce. Let no bitterness grow in your heart. Let no fear make you small. Stand tall in your truth, even if your voice shakes. The pain you felt is not in vain. It is fuel, fuel to lead, fuel to love, fuel to rise. Be the fire that fear runs from. Be the light that never dims. Warriors don't hide their scars. They show them proudly, because scars mean healing. Scars mean survival. You are not too much. You are just enough. You don't have to shrink for anyone. You were born to shine. Shine with conviction. Shine with purpose. Your journey is unique. Don't compare your chapter 10 to someone's chapter 30. You are right where you need to be. Growing, learning, becoming. You are not behind. You are becoming aligned. Warriors don't rush. They rise in their time. When you doubt yourself, look at how far you've come. not just in distance, but in depth. You are wiser, you are stronger, you are braver. Every failure carved strength into your soul. Every heartbreak opened your heart wider. Don't fear rejection. Redirection is protection. What is for you will never miss you. And what misses you was never for you. Trust the journey. Trust the process. Trust yourself. You don't need all the answers, just the next step. Take that step, no matter how small. Courage is choosing growth over comfort. Every single time, think like a warrior, move like a mountain, flow like the ocean, burn like the sun. When they doubt you, let your results speak. When they mock you, let your silence roar. You are not here to prove yourself. You are here to be yourself. Fully, freely, fiercely. Rise in authenticity. Speak your soul. Lead with heart. The world needs truth tellers. The world needs healers. The world needs you. Show up for yourself. Forgive yourself. Trust yourself. You are more than what hurt you. You are more than what tried to break you. You are infinite power in human form. Embrace your mess. Embrace your magic. Embrace your mission. It's okay to not be okay, but never stay there. Get up. Even if you rise slowly, just rise. Stand on your pain and preach from it. Life may test your limits, but never your limitlessness. You are more capable than you believe, more loved than you know, more needed than you feel. You are not invisible. You are essential. You are not lost. You are on the way. Don't wait for someday. Start today. Start now. Your story is far from over. It's only just begun. So write it with fire. Write it with grace. And live it like a warrior. Never forget who you are. Never forget what you've survived. You are your own rescue. You are your own hero. So wear your crown. Speak your name with pride. Walk into your future like it belongs to you. Because it does. Think like a warrior. Speak like a leader. Move like a force. Dream like a child. Love like a soul unbroken. You are not done. You are destined. Live boldly. Love deeply. Shine fully. This is your time. This is your moment. And you are more than ready.